Exhaust primaries. For this session, I was installing the exhaust primaries, but I first started by installing the additional bushing, the upper bushing in the steering column that I had missed in the previous session. This session with the exhaust primaries and the bushing took about 2 3/4 of an hour. There are stickers on the exhaust primer. Each one I just used Goof-Off to get off all the gunk and the stickers. It's easier to remove it now than after it gets burned on. A lot of different people have different orders of installing the primaries. I went with 4, 3, 2, 1. Got stuck with the one being the primary that's closest to the front of the vehicle. That one got stuck for me, so I ended up taking out 2 and going 4, 3, 1, 2, and that worked out for me. I think I ended up threading the number 2 primary from the outside in rather than from the engine side out like the other 3. Then I fit the collector and the cat before I torqued the bolts on the primaries. The one bolt that is left of pipe 1 is really difficult to reach with the torque wrench, so you might have to sort of just torque it by feel. I had attempted to install the springs that hold the collector to the primaries, but that turned out to be very difficult, and so I saved that for the next session.